Good morning, everybody. Here we are, Sunday. Yeah, it's not morning, but it's close to morning. I had to put my seatbelt on before I get out here. Well, we have polar vortex number 2. Now, our polar vortex number 2 is not negative temperatures. It's about 30 degrees right now. But it's 20 mile an hour sustained winds with 60 mile an hour gusts. And I literally can feel it pushing the truck right now. It's horrible. It's nasty. Don't come out if you don't have to. If you live near here, Southwest Michigan. Here we go. We get a red light. I can talk for a second. Maybe you'll get to see some of this blowing. The wind has just not stopped. I was just in the park. Everybody's stuff's just ripped up. It's nasty out. I mean, it is really nasty out. The snow is blowing so hard at times you can't see anything. But the wind itself is the vortex that I'm talking about. That 20 mile an hour sustained wind with a 60 mile an hour gusts. You're taking a 30 degree temperature and making it 0. So, matter of minutes being outside, you feel it. You feel it real quick. It cuts through you. Again, here in Michigan, we're used to it, so we just make do with it, but it's pretty bad. I figured I'd shoot this out and let you guys see how here we are, end of February, and we're still getting nailed with stuff. So, all right, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button. Come on, hit them likes. I need some thumbs ups on these videos. Come on. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Man, I'm gonna catch another light. Each and every one of you. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. You guys have a good day.